Hi everyone, is your O2 SIM swap not working? In this video, we will walk you through quick and easy steps to fix the issue, get your O2 SIM activated and running smoothly in no time. Why O2 SIM swap not working? Heavy network traffic or maintenance can cause delays in the SIM swap process, leading to temporary service interruptions. Error during the activation process, such as missing steps on the O2 platform, can prevent the new SIM from functioning. Problems with your device's hardware or software may hinder proper recognition of the new SIM. If the old SIM card remains active longer than expected, it can interfere with the new SIM's functionality. Additional verification steps may be required for security reasons, delaying the activation of the new SIM. Fix 1. Wait for some time. After initiating a SIM swap, allow some time for the activation process to complete. Typically, this can take up to 24 hours, but it often happens sooner. If you have just requested a swap, give it a little time before troubleshooting further. Fix 2. Ensure old SIM is inactive. Confirm that your old SIM is not still active. Once you initiate a swap, your old SIM should eventually deactivate. If you still have a service on your old SIM, it may prevent the new one from working. You can check this by attempting to make a call or send a text. Fix 3. Reinitiate swap request. If you suspect that there was an issue with the initial activation request, consider submitting another swap request through the O2 website or app. Ensure you follow all steps carefully and confirm that you receive any necessary security text. If you are into business account, you can raise swap requests, sign into your O2 using website or laptop, click My Account and Manage Devices. Click Swap SIM option from the drop-down list, enter your mobile number and click Search button. Select the user number and select Yes if you are changing your device or select Yes. If you are in a prepaid customer, if you are using your current SIM, text swap to 23424 from that SIM. You will receive instructions and be asked for new SIM serial number. Enter the new SIM serial number found on the back of the new SIM card. When prompted, wait for confirmation that the swap is being processed. This can take up to 24 hours. Fix 4. Restart your device. After inserting the new SIM, restart your phone. This can help refresh network connections and allow your device to recognize the new SIM card properly. For Android, press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. For iOS, press and hold the slide button and one of the volume buttons until the slider appears. Slide to power off, then press the slide button again to turn it back on.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.